If you want to set up app timers on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to scroll down and we need to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now, in here, we can find app timers, and you can see some example apps for which you can create the timer. But you can also tap on the tile in here in order to create the timer. So we can set up the name. We can choose apps that should be included for that timer, so you can have the same timer for a couple of apps. So let's say I'm gonna choose all of these audio apps that I have in here, and we can tap on Done. We can also create a schedule, so we can choose how much time should be given, or you should allow yourself to use these apps. So let's say I'm just gonna set it for 2 hours. You can also include specific days of the week and so on and so forth. But in this case, I'm just gonna keep it simple. And let's say we're gonna set it to 2 hours and we're gonna save. And there we go. Now we have our timer created. And this timer is shared between these apps that I selected. So if I, let's say, spent 30 minutes in one of these apps, then I have 1 hour and 30 minutes left for both of these apps. So if I then spend another 30 minutes in another app in the other one, then I just have 1 hour left and so on. I think you get the idea. And that is pretty much it. Now, in case you want to add more, you can go to the list. We can tap on View List in here, and we can use this plus button in the upper right corner. By the way, we can also change the icon in here as well while creating the app timer. I forgot about it, but we can, of course, do that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.